Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add friends in your Steam account. Now let's simply look at how to add friends. At the top left, right next to you, you will see a button like this called as friends. Click on it right now. Now from here, all you guys need to do is click on this button that says add a friend. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Now all you guys need to do is enter your friend's code right here, or what you can do is simply copy this link and send it to your friend. For now, I'm just gonna add my friend's code right here. As you can see, I have added my friend's code. Now this is it. I'm simply gonna click on profile link. Now what you guys need to do is simply click on this button that is add friend, and then a friend request will be sent to your friend. And as such, once your friend accepts it, you guys will be friends on Steam. And guys, that is it. That's how we add friends on Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.